This is how to generate an animation in Isaac Sim. So within Isaac Sim, we first need to load 3 extensions. We go to Window, Extensions, and then search for the extensions. The ones that we need are Movie Capture, Curve Editor, and Animation Timeline Window. To open these, we go to Window, Animation, Curve Editor, and Timeline. Now, as an example, we're going to load the robotic examples, go to Manipulation, and to Follow Target example. This one is going to load a robotic manipulator that is going to follow a cube as a target. Inside the Curve Editor, we can now create keyframes. So once we click on the target, we can set a key on the bottom right. This one defines now the cube at this specific position at time step 0. So for example, if we go to time step 250, go to the cube, put it in a different position, right-click Translate and Set Key, we now have an animation. Now we're just going to add another position. And all that's left to do is to start the robotic example. So we're going to click Start. And as we can see, the robot is following the target. Now you want to reset the stage. Go to the right bottom, launch the movie capture tool, set the amount of frames you want to choose. So I will set it to 600. We're going to save a MP4 in our desktop and call it Capture 1. Now it's important that you start the example first before you click on Capture Sequence. This one might take a while, but the end result looks like this.